Hello, food enthusiasts. Today, we embark on an exciting culinary journey across the diverse and flavorful continent of Africa. From the bustling markets to the rich cultural heritage. We'll be exploring the 10 most popular and mouth-watering African dishes. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and experience the vibrant flavors of Africa. Let's dive right in. Our adventure begins with the aromatic and flavorful spices that define African cuisine. From the fiery heat of Berberi in Ethiopia to the earthy warmth of Ras El Hanout in Morocco, the vibrant array of spices adds depth and complexity to every dish, transporting you to the heart of Africa. First on our list is the iconic jollof rice, a beloved West African dish that ignites a sense of national pride. Picture a tantalizing blend of rice, tomatoes, onions, and a medley of spices, cooked to perfection. Whether enjoyed on its own or paired with succulent grilled chicken or fish, jollof rice is a celebration on a plate. Now, let's head to the vibrant lands of South Africa, where the enticing aroma of a braai fills the air. A braai is more than just a barbecue. It's a social gathering centered around grilling succulent meats, such as boerewors, also called sausage, and tender steaks. Add some traditional sides like pap made of maize meal, and chakalaka, which is spicy relish, and you have a feast fit for a king. From South Africa, we venture to the enchanting land of Ethiopia, where injera bread takes center stage. This spongy, sourdough flatbread is the perfect vessel for scooping up flavorful stews like doro wat, which is called spicy chicken stew, and misir wat, made of spiced lentil stew. Ethiopian cuisine delights with its unique flavors and communal dining experience. Now, let's wander through the exotic streets of North Africa, where the tantalizing aromas of tagines fill the air. These slow-cooked stews, simmered in a traditional clay pot, blend tender meats or hearty vegetables with aromatic spices, dried fruits, and preserved lemons. Each spoonful is a taste of North African magic. Heading west, we delve into the flavorful world of West African cuisine. One dish that stands out is egusi soup, a rich and hearty soup made from ground melon seeds, vegetables, and an array of meats or fish. The combination of textures and flavors makes it a true West African delicacy. In South Africa, we discover a unique culinary gem known as the bunny chow. This street food delight originated in Durban and consists of a hollowed-out loaf of bread filled with curry, typically made with chicken or mutton. It's a satisfying and flavorful culinary experience you won't want to miss. Traveling further north, we find ourselves in Morocco, a land of enchantment and culinary wonders. Moroccan couscous steals the spotlight with its delicate steamed semolina grains, topped with tender meat, aromatic vegetables, and a fragrant blend of spices. It's a dish that reflects the rich history and diverse influences of the region. Let's venture back to West Africa, where the bustling street food markets come alive with vibrant flavors and irresistible aromas. From the spicy and tangy suya, which is grilled skewered meat, in Nigeria, to the crispy and savory akara, bean fritters, in Ghana. These street food delicacies are a must-try for any adventurous food lover. As we head to East Africa, we encounter the beloved samosa. These golden, triangular pastries are filled with a delicious mixture of spiced meat, vegetables, or lentils. Whether enjoyed as a snack or part of a larger meal, samosas are a true East African delight. Last but certainly not least, let's satisfy our sweet tooth with some delightful African desserts. From the creamy and indulgent malva pudding in South Africa, to the refreshing and tangy mango and coconut sorbet in Senegal, African desserts offer a delightful finale to any meal. There you have it, folk. The 10 most popular and tantalizing dishes that showcase the rich tapestry of African cuisine. From the bold flavors of jollof rice to the aromatic spices of North African tagines. Africa's culinary heritage is as diverse and vibrant as the continent itself. So, whether you're exploring the flavors in your own kitchen or planning a visit to Africa, let these dishes take you on a flavorful adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us for more delectable culinary adventures from around the globe. Until then, keep exploring, keep savoring, and keep celebrating the diverse flavors of the world.